Israel's high-powered laser interception system, dubbed Iron Beam, has been declared operational after completing development and final tests, and is set to be delivered to the military by the end of the year, the Defense Ministry and manufacturer Rafael said on Wednesday. The Iron Beam has been in development for over a decade. It was first unveiled in 2014. During the current war, a lower-powered version of the system was used by the Israel Defense Forces to shoot down Hezbollah drones launched from Lebanon. The ministry said its Directorate of Defense Research and Development, DEDR&D, the Israeli Air Force, and the Rafael defense firm successfully completed an advanced series of operational tests, which lasted several weeks, to demonstrate the capabilities of the high-power laser system. It said the test involved the interception of rockets, mortars, and drones by the Iron Beam. The series of tests, conducted at a testing ground in southern Israel, concludes the development process and constitutes the final stage before delivering the system for operational use in the IDF, the ministry said. The Iron Beam is not meant to replace the Iron Dome or Israel's other air defense systems, but to supplement and complement them, shooting down smaller projectiles and leaving larger ones for the more robust missile-based batteries such as the David's Sling and Arrow systems. As long as there is a constant source of energy for the laser, there is no risk of it ever running out of ammunition. Officials have hailed it as a potential game-changer in the battle against projectile attacks. The main downside of a laser system is that it does not function well in low visibility, including heavy cloud cover or other inclement weather. A lower-powered and shorter-range version of the laser interceptor system used by the IDF's newly revived 946th Air Defense Battalion, which operates anti-drone systems, shot down some 35 Hezbollah drones over northern Israel last year. With the Iron Beam being declared operational, a significant leap in the operational capabilities of the air defense array is expected, through the long-range laser weapon system, the ministry added. In June, Rafael showcased at the Paris Air Show its family of high-energy laser weapon systems, including the Iron Beam 450, an upgraded version of the Iron Beam, the Iron Beam M, a compact and mobile version of the laser interceptor, designed to be mounted on a truck and used by ground forces or to protect strategic sites, and the Light Beam, a lightweight, compact, and lower-powered laser interceptor designed to be mounted on armored personnel carriers or other armored vehicles during ground operations. The Iron Beam, laser-based air defense system is seen intercepting a target during a test over southern Israel, in a handout photo issued on September 17, 2025. Defense Ministry, Rafael also said it was developing a maritime version of the laser interceptor, which could be deployed on Navy boats to protect assets at sea. Wednesday's announcement was hailed by officials, with Defense Minister Israel Katz saying the Iron Beam places the State of Israel at the forefront of global military technology and makes the State of Israel the first country to possess this capability. This is not only a moment of national pride, but a historic milestone for our defense envelope, a fast, precise interception at marginal cost that joins the existing defensive tools and changes the threat equation, he said. Now let's talk about the Iran's BAVAR-373 missile air defense system with 300 km range. The BAVAR-373 air defense missile system is a product of creativity and reliance on internal capabilities in terms of design, development, and deployment of a strategic missile system. In fact, the development of this system is a reaction to the arms embargo on Iran, including in the field of air defense systems. Iran Press, Iran News. Although Russia pledged to deliver the S-300 missile system to Iran after several years under Vladimir Putin's presidency, this did not deter the defense industry's decision to indigenize weapons, including air defense systems, and the BAVAR-373 air defense project continued in full force. Among the capabilities of this system, we can refer to its high mobility, the high volume of fire, ability to engage with various targets, air and missile, long range and altitude, the possibility of collision and suitable lethality, proper performance against electronic warfare, indigenous and simple maintenance, operations in the conditions of attacks, chemical, microbial and nuclear, and the ability to withstand electromagnetic attacks, operations in different weather conditions, the ability to cope with the latest world targets, communication with the country's defense layers, reliability and much lower prices than similar foreign models. In the process of designing and achieving this weapon system, many technologies such as vertical launch missile technology, missile rotation technology towards the target, and many other cases have been used operationally. This system, despite having more capabilities than similar foreign systems, has been produced at a much lower price than similar foreign models. There are quite a number of features for the system which are as follows. The BAVAR-373 missile system is a long-range surface-to-air and self-propelled air defense missile system that has been designed and built using the technologies used in Talash and KHORDAD-15 missile defense systems that fire SAYYAD-2 and SAYYAD-3 missiles. The initial design of this system is sampled from the S-300 missile system. The BAVAR-373 system is more advanced in every way than systems such as the S-300, but the remarkable thing that distinguishes this system from others is the system's ability to carry and fire a variety of missiles at different ranges, so that if there are some shortcomings in the S-300 missile system in some areas, but in BAVAR-373, these issues have been resolved and a conceptual design has been done on it, and in this regard, the designers have also predicted that the system will be able to operate with 2 or 3 types of missiles in different layers of altitude. Looking at the features of BAVAR-373, it is clear that in designing this defense system, the superior features of similar systems have been built and studied, and as a result, a system with various missions has emerged, which specifically in comparison with the S-300 system ordered by Iran, the BAVAR-373 has the ability to engage with a variety of targets, which is due to the different nature of the threats facing Iran, compared to Russia. The BAVAR-373 missile system detects targets from a distance of 320 kilometers and intercepts from 260 kilometers and has the ability to target from a distance of 200 kilometers to an altitude of 27 kilometers. The BAVAR-373 system search and detection radar is able to detect 300 targets simultaneously. On the other hand, the interceptor radar of this system is also capable of intercepting 60 targets simultaneously. This missile system has the ability to fire 3 types of missiles at different ranges, similar to the S-400 missile system but with a shorter range, for intercepting targets at different ranges and altitudes, and can operate in different layers of defense. The missile currently used in the BAVAR-373 system is of the SAYYAD-4 type, which is in fact the newest member of the Sayyad defense missile family, and is equipped with an advanced maneuverability system and is capable of destroying targets at a distance of 200 kilometers and at an altitude of 27 kilometers by a direct hit or warhead explosion and shrapnel. The maximum speed of SAYYAD-4 missile is equal to 5 Mach. Another prominent feature of this defense system is the ability to deal with a wide range of targets such as fighter jets, both conventional and stealth, drones, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and anti-radar missiles, as well as electronic warplanes and helicopters that can use different missiles to destroy all kinds of these targets. Among the salient features of the BAVAR-373 interceptor radar is the ability to detect hidden targets with a very low radar cross-section. With this feature, there will be virtually no stealth target for this system. Another notable feature of the BAVAR-373 system radars is their resistance to electronic warfare and even electromagnetic bombs, which maintain the system's effectiveness against electronic warfare attacks. Just subscribe, follow, like and share for more updates. The Final Hub channel.